AGBA Stock Analysis and Predictions in 1 minute time. Watch this short video till the end to gain clarity on whether I'm buying or selling next. So we're sitting at 214. We are 4% down for the day, which was Friday. But for the week, we were net positive, 71% up, and the week before that it was 184. So that's like 250, 260% up. It's crazy, man. But yeah, honestly, I'm still trying to milk it up. This is only for now and not forever, and just like short term, nothing long term by any means. But before I lay it down for you, to give you context, I'm using my strategy and system that's previously given me thousands of wins in 2023. And I'm telling you all of that because that's the truth and I've documented everything. So with Alibaba Group Holding Limited, I want to see the price just go below 197, and then I'm going to look for those potential upside moves. And if I get them, then I'm taking it higher. Simple as that, man. Like nothing complicated. So for a free course, check the first link in the description because it's free, like literally free, and I don't sell courses.